Just got back from work. Looks like we got a little bit of sunlight left, so let's go see what we can find. You know, the last time I was here, the homeowner said try around the back door, so that's what I've been doing. I popped this plug. That's where I ended up at, by the way, is back here. And this piece of lead, it was hard to find because it was small, but it's heavy, and it is rather unique. That's this side. You can see those markings, and you flip it. That's pretty interesting. Copper tubing. Popped another plug up here. Looks like it's got a little iron on the back side of it there. Some kind of design. And you can see it's a farm tractor. It is a more modern button, but hey, that's pretty cool. I'd say, what, 60s, 70s? But then, man, back then with this cool farm tractor button, you were the deal. Well, this is going to be the last dig of the day because the sun's going down. It's getting pretty dark. We're going to find out what's in this little clump here, and then we're going to call it. All right. Well, it's the letter H. Let's go home. Okay, so I know I said I was going home on the last hole, but here's one more. This is not even my target. This popped out when I flipped over the dirt. It's solid, one piece. I mean, it looks like bone. But let's see what's in the hole. And on that note, we're gonna head on toward the house.